To open a Gmail account, follow these steps. 1. Go to the Gmail website *. Open your web browser and go to www.gmail.com, https://www.gmail.com. 2. Click on Create Account, ***. On the Gmail homepage, click on the Create Account option. 3. Fill in your details ***. You'll be asked to provide some personal information, first and last name. Choose your Gmail username, this will be your email address, like username@gmail.com. Create a password and confirm it. 4. Enter recovery information, optional but recommended, ***. You may be asked to enter a phone number for account security and recovery. This is optional, but it helps in case you forget your password. You may also be asked for a recovery email address, optional but recommended. 5. Fill in your birth date and gender ***. Google may ask for your birth date and gender for security and personalization purposes. 6. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy ***. Read Google's terms and policies, then click I agree to proceed. 7. Set up your account ***. After agreeing to the terms, your Gmail account will be created. You may be asked to customize your account settings, like choosing a profile picture. 8. Start using Gmail ***. Once everything is set up, you can start using your Gmail account to send and receive emails. Thanks.